Data entry sucks. I'm going to show you how to make data entry in Excel much easier with forms. For this tutorial, I have some sample data featuring some cartoon characters. In order to create forms in Excel, the data must be in the form of a table. Converting this data set into a table is very easy. Simply highlight a cell within the data set and then click on Format as Table on the Home tab. I'll pick a style for the table, and then I'll be asked to confirm that the highlighted area is correct. I'll check to make sure it looks good, and then I'll click OK. I've now converted the data into an Excel table. Next, we'll create the form. There's actually a form function in Excel, but it's not on the ribbon or quick access toolbar. Let's add it. I'm going to click on the down arrow on the quick access toolbar, and then I'll select More Commands. The Excel options for the quick access toolbar appears. Since the form function isn't a popular command, I'll need to change where we choose the commands from. I can choose from commands not in the ribbon, or from all commands. It doesn't matter which one. I'll use all commands. Next, I'll scroll until I find Forms. I'll highlight it, and then click on the Add button to add it to the quick access toolbar. Finally, I'll click OK. I now have the Forms command in the quick access toolbar. Now, to set up the form, I need to highlight any cell within my table and then click on the Forms button. I now have a data entry form. I can use the arrows to scroll through the information that is already in my table. Or, if I want to add a new record, I can click on New. I can now enter more information. To add this new information to my table, all I need to do is click Enter. It has now been added to our data table. If I wanted to edit an entry, I can use the arrows to find the information that I want to change, and then update it within the form. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and check out these Excel tutorial videos.